Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. So today we are going to set a bit of a challenge. Today we are going to change my hair system in not 30 minutes, not 20 minutes, but 15 minutes from start to finish. That's going to be removal, cleaning, shaving, and reapplication onto this little head of mine. So these videos are sponsored by my friends at Lordhair.com, where you only get the best in hair systems. So let's get this challenge started. Here we go. Okay, we're about to get this challenge started. Here is my clock. Start. Here we go. Spray. Ow. Okay. Wash. Okay, over to wash my hair. Okay, so system off, and now we are at 12 minutes and 31 seconds, and we are going to scrub away now. Okay, so I have my shampoo and sugar mix. I'm going to apply that to my scalp really quickly and scrub that in. Now, the scrub mix is basically just sugar mixed with shampoo. It's going to get my scalp nice and clean, and you're going to massage that in. Make sure that you massage gently, don't massage too quickly or harshly. I know I'm rushing here and maybe I've scrubbed a little bit too much, but I want to show you how fast we can get this done. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so time to get shaving. Here we go. I'm gonna look in the mirror for this. Oh, God. Good if I did it the right way around. Okay, so we are now on 7 minutes and 51. Okay, I'm gonna now use my ball shaver because I like to get really, really close. Okay, so we have 4 minutes and 51 seconds. I've been talking through this as well, so I think I'm doing really good. I have cleaned my hair after shaving and I've cleaned my system. Now I'm gonna start placing some alcohol on here and just to make sure that my scalp is prepped and a little bit drier to make sure that the system is adhered to. Make sure you dab, do not scrub, because you get fluffy balls all over your head, or as I like to say, fluffy bunnies. Okay, so that is done. So just touch, make sure that it is fully dry. It just takes a few seconds. Then we're gonna go with our scalp prep spray, and we are gonna spray that around. We are dry. So this sits on your head for about 30 seconds. It should be tacky to touch once it's done. This basically creates a barrier between your system and your scalp. Woo! To make sure that your system stays on longer and your scalp is protected. Okay, so now I'm gonna get taping this, and we have just about 2 minutes left. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I just wanted to get everything prepped, got my tapes. I have exactly 2 minutes and 9 seconds. I hope I can get this done. Have my system, have my tape, and I'm gonna get taping for the final go. All right, here we go. I usually put this on my knee to make it go faster because it rounds off the system. Okay, is this actually, this might be over. I don't know if this is gonna happen. I've never done it this fast before. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. Okay, I went over by 30 seconds, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. It is nice and adhered to my head. So that took me 15 minutes and 30 seconds to get this done. And I think I did a good job. So, whew. All right, maybe don't try this at home for 15 minutes unless you're in some sort of crazy rush for a date or something. I don't know. But at least I know if I really need to get it done in a rush, I can do it. 30 seconds over 15 minutes, but I think that's pretty good. All right, so that is my video for today. I am sweating. That was a lot of work, but we got it done. If you like this video, don't forget to check out everything else on this channel. My videos are sponsored by Lordhair.com. Don't forget to click below, subscribe, comment. If you want any more videos, any more information that you might need from moi, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!